So I was out flying my drone by Playa Coral recently, near the old Ventura Park. As most of you know, this place has been closed down for quite a while now. But as I was hovering over the pools, I noticed something I didn't expect. There are still dolphins here. Even though the park is silent and empty of tourists, these poor animals are still in their tanks. I did see some people nearby, which was a relief, but it immediately brought up the big question. Didn't Mexico officially ban this? To see if this was just a one time thing, I headed over to Plaza La Isla since they got an aquarium there. This is the heart of the hotel zone, and as you can see from the air, the aquarium is still fully active, and not only are there dolphins here, but the shows are still running and everyone's having a good time, except the dolphins. In July 2025, the Mexican government passed a law banning dolphins in captivity for entertainment. So, why are we seeing this in 2026? Is the law being ignored? Well, I did some research to understand the timeline. The law, often called the Mincho Law, didn't actually order an overnight shutdown. It established an 18-month transition period. That means that these companies have until early 2027 to completely change their business model. Right now, we're in that in between phase. The shows you see at Plaza La Isla are legally allowed to continue for a few more months while they figure out the next steps. But there are two major rules already in effect. First, breeding is now banned. This means that dolphins that you see in my footage today are officially the last generation that will ever live in captivity in Mexico. Second, they aren't going to be just released into the wild, the open oceans, because most wouldn't survive. Instead, the law requires them to be moved from these concrete tanks into sea pens or open water sanctuaries, where they would live the rest of their lives in natural ocean water, just without the performances. It's a strange sight to see, dolphins still performing while a ban is technically in place, but it's all part of a massive shift in how Mexico treats marine life. I'm curious to hear your opinion. Do you think the 18-month wait is fair, or should they have moved faster? Well, if you found this update helpful, hit the like button and subscribe for more aerial views and updates around Cancun and the Riviera Maya. Thanks for watching. See you later.